welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen from Flip Family, and today I'm going to share with you an easy rice porridge recipe, and it's called Arroz Caldo. So it's pretty much a rice soup, and it's really easy to make, and I'm going to share with you how to make it in the Instant Pot. Okay, so before I show you how to make it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll get notified of all the videos we upload every week. Okay, let's get started. So the ingredients you will need for your arroz caldo, and I'm actually going to cook it in the Instant Pot, is you'll need some chicken broth. If you don't, that's fine. You can use water. I'm using chicken thighs. I would say maybe this is about a pound. Some ginger, some fish sauce, and a cup of rice. So the rice is actually going to absorb a lot of the chicken broth. So I'm just going to use a cup because I like it soupy. Some people like it thick. So again, you just have to play by ear how you like the consistency of your arroz caldo. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to cook it in the Instant Pot. What I forgot to mention is you also need minced garlic. So this is my little stash I keep in the fridge. So you'll need garlic as well. So I'm going to put it on on saute mode and just increase it a bit. So I'm going to saute my garlic and then the ginger in here first before I put my chicken and get it going. Alright, so it's on saute mode. I'm going to add some oil and get this heated up before I add the garlic and ginger. While that starts heating up, I am going to cut open my chicken packages so that's ready to go. I'm going to add my ginger and wait for this to heat up. There we go. Give this a mix. So you're going to start smelling the garlic and the ginger. It's going to start smelling good in here. Another good quick way to do this is just actually dump all the ingredients. So like your ginger and garlic, you don't have to saute it. And the chicken and water and get this going. So I'm basically going to make the broth first and then add the rice after. I'll start browning the chicken. You don't have to do this, but since we are here sauteing, let's do a quick saute of this chicken. Now I'm going to add my chicken broth. I'll probably use almost all of this box of chicken broth, because you are basically making a soup. And then rice, you're cooking rice in it, so it's going to absorb a lot of this. But I like to save some. Just in case the consistency of this arroz caldo is too thick, at least you can water it down. So now I'm going to put it on pressure cook and cook it for 20 minutes. So this, I'm going to leave it alone and check everything to make sure it's good. Yep, this is up and this is ready to go. So we'll check this in probably maybe 40 minutes, because this actually has to pressurize inside before it starts actually cooking. So it takes some time since there's a lot of liquid in here. So we'll check back on this. The thing I want to show you, I don't know, sure if you can see, but you see how the top popped up? So that is a sign that it's ready to cook. So the timer is going to go down. Start. The timer is going to start going off. So you want this to happen. Hopefully you guys noticed that. So when you begin cooking using your Instant Pot, this metal thingamajig, I don't know what to call it, is down actually. So when it starts pressurizing and it's ready to cook, it'll pop right up. So as I'm waiting for my arroz caldo to cook, I'm gonna get my toppings ready. And I like to always do like an arroz caldo bar, and people can customize what they want to put. They want to add more chicken, more calamansi. Put any toppings. Soft-boiled egg. Here I'm crushing up some chicharron because I like that chicharron crunch in my arroz caldo. Just gonna cut up some green onions. Ooh, you hear that beep? That means our chicken broth is ready. So let's check on it now. So now this is ready. You're gonna press this right here, and I like to put a towel over it just in case it splatters. So it's gonna get really loud. So there we go. So I'm actually going to take out the chicken from this. So I'm actually going to take out the chicken and then cook the rice. Oh, it's falling apart, which is a good thing. So like I said before, I forgot to add some safflower because I like it for color. It's just pretty. And the flavor isn't too strong. You don't need that much. You just need a sprinkle. Some people think this is actually, what you call it? What do you use in, okay, I'm gonna mix this. You don't need that much of this. Saffron, that's what it was. Some people think it's saffron, but it's not actually. Saffron is actually more fragrant than this, and the color is like more vibrant. So now I'm going to add my rice. Give this a mix. And then I'm gonna cook it again in porridge mode. Put it on porridge. I'm not gonna cook it that long. Let's do 15 minutes and then we'll check from there. See, it went down again. So this is ready. Let's see if the rice is ready. Not quite yet. Looks like it's almost cooked. I'm gonna let this cook a little longer. There we go. It has thickened up. This is the perfect consistency. See how it thickened up? This is what you want. If you want it more brothy, you can start adding more of that chicken broth you saved, or you can just keep it like this, and this is good to go. So what we're gonna do is add our toppings. This is the best part because you can customize it. So it's time to make my bowl of arroz caldo. So I'm gonna just put some in my bowl. Make sure I got some chicken. Again, if you want it more soupy, you can obviously add more soup, but this is the perfect consistency. There we go. I'm gonna show you how I plate it. Enjoyed this video and how easy it is to make this rice soup at home. Comment below if you have any questions and what's your favorite comfort food during the cold weather. I'd love to know. I'd love for you to join our newsletter because that's where I announce everything. I'll keep that link below and I'll see you guys in the next video. Before we go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye!